Hi guys, welcome to Flying Grip Academy. Today we are going to discuss about typecasting and type conversion. So here the typecasting defines you are going to cast a particular variable to another type of variable. For example, if you are going to consider there is a one type of variable and you are going to convert into the another type, and here the type conversion defines converting the particular data type and assigning the value of that particular data type. Here, if you are going to consider the typecasting, you are going to convert one type of variable to the another type. For example, here, what are the problems are going to occur basically? Here, you are having an variable which belongs to integer, and here you are having another variable which belongs to double. So here you can able to place this particular integer inside the double so that it will be fitted. So for example, if you are having a byte, here basically integer is 4 bytes and double is 8 bytes. So there is no problem. Here you are not having any problem. Here if you are going to consider you are having a byte and here you are having a data type. So here you are having a byte and here you are having a data type long. So now here what you are going to do is you are going to place this particular data type to here. At that time the problem is going to be occur. In order to avoid this one, we need to take care so which particular conversion you are going to make and which particular data type to which particular data type you are converting. In Java, you are having a syntax and semantics. The programmer has to take care in order to avoid such a problem. Let us see what are the problems which are caused practically. We will see one by one. Let us see an example which we are having. So here we have declared a particular data type as int a equal to 20. Here we have declared an integer variable a equal to 20 and we have declared a double variable b equal to 30. So now here we are going to store the result. So the result is plus a plus b and the result is plus a plus b, and again we have given we have without declaring any data type. So the resultant should be shown here and the compiler need to take care which particular data type. For example, here in front of C you need to declare a data type. For example, double C equal to a plus b. So such a variables you need to declare. But here we have not declared in the case of result which is 20 into 3.5. Let us see the output what it is going to be shown. So now here I have named the class as default and I am going to copy the class name and I am going to save the file. So in C drive I am going to in Java programs default.java. I have saved the program successfully and I am going to open my command prompt. So now I am going to execute the program java c space followed by file class name dot java. So now you have compiled the program successfully and you are going to execute the program java space class name. So now it is going to show the output 22030. So but here what it is going to show, the first result is showing. So here we have kept this one in comment line because let us see one by one by compiling the program. So here it is going to do the concatenation which is 20 and we another value is 30.5 and it is going to perform the concatenation in the first step. So now I will keep comment line in the first step and I will go to the second step. Let us see what the output it is going to generate. So now I have saved the program and I will recompile the program. So now the program is going to show the result is it is going to show an error because we have not ended with the semicolon. So now I have recompiled the program. The program has compiled without any errors. So now I am going to execute the program. So now it is going to show the resultant which is 50.5. So we have not declared what is the resultant. The compiler is going to take automatically with the help of JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. By using that, it is going to show the resultant which is 50.5. So let us see what the third one is going to generate. Save the program and again I am going to compile the program, execute the program. So now it is going to show the 70. So basically here it is going to multiply with 20 into 3.5 So which has to generate the result. If you are going to open the calculator, 20 into 3.5, so it is going to generate 70, but here also it is going to show 70. It works fine. This particular conversion is taken automatically by the Java virtual machine. So next we see the another example. So let us see another example which we can able to illustrate this particular typecasting. Here if you are going to notice, here we have declared a string name equal to 20. So now it belongs to string variable. So now we have declared within the double quotes which is 20. It means that 20 is a number which we have written in the string type, and you need to convert this particular string which is given as 20 into the double. So now we have declared a double number equal to, and we are using the conversion value double dot value of followed by the name. So now we are going to convert this one into double. So in a similar manner, you can able to convert the string into integer by using a integer.parseInt. Here you are going to print system.out.println. The converted value is number. Save as class name.java. So here save under all files. Now Java is followed by class name.java. So now here you have compiled the program without any errors, and I am going to execute this particular program, and the resultant value is 20. It is showing 20.0 because here we have created double. So there are two ways in order to convert this particular double variable. First one is double dot value of name. Double dot value of name. The second one is double number equal to double dot parse double. By using this, you can able to convert. Let us see the another one. Here I am going to keep in the comment lines, and I am going to remove this one, and I am going to execute this program. Once again recompile the program, execute the program. It is going to show 20.0. So now I am going to convert this particular data type into integer. So int number equal to, here I am going to write the particular data type integer dot parse integer, so that it is going to convert this particular value into the integer data type. So let us recompile the program and execute the program. So now it is going to show the value is 20 because the value which we have given as a string variable which is 20, the string always should be enclosed within the double quote, and we have converted this particular value into the 20. Let us see the another program which we are having a problem. So now here there is no problem because here we are using a particular data type which is byte. Byte is 124. The value is 124. Now here we are going to have a double which is big. So we are going to place this one into the big. So now we are going to assign big equal to small. So let us see, here we are having a small which is having a value 124, and we are having a big which is a double. So now we are going to place big equal to small. So now if you are going to type big equal to small, so then we are going to place this one into inside this particular one. So now here the value will be 124. So there is no problem. Here this particular program will be executed and there is no error will be shown on the screen. So now I am going to copy the program and I am going to save the program. Now you are going to type Java seed followed by file name .java. So now this program has compiled without any errors, and now we are going to execute the program. File name, class name followed by the Java followed by the class name. So now it is going to show the converted value is 124. So there is no problem in it. So now here what I am going to do is, here instead of small I am going to type big. So let us see what is the output it is going to generate it. So now here it is going to show the value 124.0 because it has saved in big. In previous one it has been saved in the small. This program has executed successfully. In this particular program we are going to convert big to small. So whenever you are going to try to compile big to small, the problem will be occur. Here we have given a double, big is 16,800, and now we have declared byte is small. Basically double is 8 bytes. So here we will write basically double size is 8 bytes, and here we have byte, and byte size is 1 byte, and we need to convert the particular big to small. So then definitely there is a problem. So now here you are having a big, so which is 16,800, and now here you are having a small. We need to fit this particular value into this one. So then the problem is going to be occurred. So now if you want to put this one into inside this one, the problem is going to be occurred because this particular value doesn't fit inside this variable which you have declared by. So now let us see by executing this program what will happen if you are going to compile this program. So now I am going to copy this program, and now if you are going to convert this value, the value should not be lost. So care should be taken by the programmer in avoid this particular situation. Save the program, copy this class name and save as .java, save under all files. I have saved the program successfully. Now compile the program javac space class name .java. So now the program has compiled successfully and you need to execute the program. So now what it is showing, it is going to show the converted value is -96. So here the value which we have given, is 16,800. So instead of this particular value, it is going to show the value which is -96. So here it is showing -96. So this is going to be problem whenever you are going to make this kind of conversions. You need to make sure what kind of conversions you are going to perform. Let us see with another example we are having. So whenever the user is going to enter a particular character from the keyboard, so then it need to convert the value into the integer. In this program, we will illustrate with an example. Here we are going to train to read a character from the keyboard. Here we are going to read a package which is import java.io.exception. So which we will discuss in the next session. What is package? So next, here we have declared a class name read character and we have declared a public static void main string array argument. Here we are going to declare a try block which is a exception handling code. Whatever the risky code is there, we are going to keep in the try block. So now within the block, we are going to keep trying to read a character. So now a character has to be entered by the user and it will be prompting a message enter a character. So next we are going to scan the input by using a x equal to system.in.read. So now it has to show the converted value is, it is going to show is x. So this it is going to show the converted value. So now what it is going to happen, here we are going to read a character and we are going to try to convert into the integer. So now if you are going to convert into the integer, we have to use a integer.parseInt. But we have not done that particular thing whenever you are going to try to read a particular character into the integer, but we are directly assigning the reading the character and we are converting the character into the integer. So now here we are having a catch block. If any exception is caught from the try block and it is going to catch the kind of the exception and it is going to print a message that error reading from the user. So this is about the program. Let us see what it is going to generate. So now copy the class name of the program, copy file, save as class name.java and save this program under all files, save the program and now execute the program javac followed by class name.java. So now I am going to execute the program java space class name. So now it is going to ask enter a character. I am going to enter a k. So now it is going to show a message. The converted value is 107. Here it is going to ask a message enter a character. I have entered a character k and it is going to show the converted value is 107. It is going to convert into the some other encoding like UTF-16. So but the majority of the encodings and certainty for all the popular encodings is first 127 values are in ASCII and it includes all the English alphanumerical characters and popular symbols. Here I have entered a character 5 and the converted value is showing 53. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.